Actually, I'm too much busy, but still I thought that let me just give you all an update. So Merry Christmas to all of you again. Anyways, so I'll show you all what I'm doing right now. Actually, I'm very busy, but I still thought that let me all give you an update. Please don't mind my face, my hairstyle and anything. Don't mind the background as well. I know I'm having a very big acne over here and I don't look good, but that's because I haven't done any kind of makeup and I'm not ready for the video. I just thought of giving you all an update. So basically, as you all know, today is Christmas. Today is 25th of January, and as I was very busy with my studies, with my projects, with my exams and whatnot, so I didn't get any time before to make the Christmas tree or make any kind of decorations related to Christmas. We don't really celebrate Christmas in a grand way, but yeah, we like to celebrate Christmas in a very small way or grand way, whatever it is, but we like to celebrate it. We like to wish everyone Merry Christmas. We like to eat cakes on that, and we just like to celebrate it. And yeah, I have seen a lot of people who are not Christians, they celebrate this day very grandly, but yeah, we don't get the chance to do that because yeah, most of the time we are busy with all of them. If suppose I want to celebrate it like very nicely, grandly, maybe my parents or my siblings will not get the time, so that is why we can't celebrate it grandly. But yeah, we celebrate it in a different way, like in a small, maybe chotu sa way we celebrate it, but yeah, we celebrate it. So this time I thought that as this time YouTube has become a really vital part of my life. I know I have not been uploading videos, but yeah, YouTube is really vital in my life. It has YouTube, making YouTube videos has really changed my life. So that is why I thought that this time, just for making few YouTube videos, I will be making Christmas tree. I will be making some backgrounds and all of that. I will be celebration will be the same, but making of the Christmas tree, making of the background and all that will be a little different. First, what we used to do is that first we would just make a tree and give some lightings on that and just play some songs and celebrate the day. But this time I thought that this time I'll make a background also, and obviously the Christmas tree will be there, and I'll make a background as well, put some lightings and all of that, and make it little more attractive as compared to previous years. So yeah, this time I thought of doing that. But my I was so indulged after my exams also. I was so indulged with my studies. I needed to go to my offline school, I needed to do my practicals, projects and whatnot. Tuition also started, so that is why I didn't get the time to decorate anything. All the decorations are very simple. I have decorated it very simply. I'll show it to you all. Please don't judge. I'll give you all a disclaimer that I have not really done any kind of decorations like related to Christmas previously. Like what I already said, that whatever we used to do in the previous years, that was just very simple, very minimal. We used to just set up a Christmas tree, which was also not a Christmas tree bought from the market. It was just a simple tree decorated with some lightings and all of that, fairy lights and all of that, and we used to just play songs and celebrate the whole day like that. But this time I did something different, and what is that, I'll show it to you all. So let's get started. Let's not talk too much, and if you want to understand more, keep watching the video. So yeah, okay, so this is the decoration that I have done. I know it looks very bad, not looking good, but I'll tell you, this was a window. It is the room which I'm standing in right now. This is a very old room, and it's currently it's used for like storing purposes, like a storeroom kind of. But I thought that I could have not got any other places other than this room, so I thought of setting up the background and the Christmas tree also in this room. So I have done everything in this room. We had this very huge window. This is a like 3 or I think 2-sided window. Yeah, 3 or 2. 3. Yeah, 3-sided window. So in this window there was this string. If you can see, there was this string. So I thought of suspending this red colored curtain, I thought that it will add a very good background for the Christmas vibes. It will add Christmas vibes. Red color adds really good Christmas vibes. So, and this is what my Christmas tree looks like. Please don't judge, please, please, please. I'm really sorry, but I haven't bought any kind of artificial Christmas tree which are available in the market, because I didn't get any kind of time. You need to understand, I didn't get any kind of time to go and bring that. That is why I just thought of making my Christmas tree in a very old, like a very different tree. I don't know what this tree in which I have made my Christmas tree kind of tree, that what this tree is actually called. I don't know the actual name of this tree, but yeah, I got a tree on our garden, so I thought that let me make this tree as our Christmas tree. Basically the story, and I have used this tree. I don't know what this tree is called. If when I'll know, I'll put it in the screen. So I have used this tree and I have just decorated it again with this decorative stuff. And yeah, I haven't totally decorated it, but I'll decorate it more. And yeah, I'll put fairy lights on the tree as well, and as well on the background also. I know that anything doesn't look good, neither the tree nor the background, nothing looks good, but don't fear, I'll make a video, I'll make a short out of it, and that will be the best, I guarantee you. So stay tuned for that. I know anything doesn't look good, neither the tree, not the background, but whenever I'll make a video, edit it nicely, put all my efforts in that, that will be very nice. So stay tuned for that, and please don't judge, please don't unsubscribe. Stay tuned and support me. Love you all. Hi guys, so I am finally done with the Christmas decoration, or whatever you wanna say. I'm finally done with the decoration for the Christmas. So yeah, I am done with setting up everything for Christmas. I know I should have done it before only, but as I said before that, yeah, I didn't get time. I was indulged into projects, into study, into tuitions, offline school. So yeah, I didn't get time. So yeah, but finally I'm done with the decoration, and I am gonna show it to you right now. So I hope you all will enjoy it, and yeah, let me show it to you all. And yeah, I have also taken a bath, by the way. Okay, let's go and let me show you all how I have done it, how it looks like with the light, without the light, how it will look like at the night time. And I'm also gonna be making a video out of it. That video will be going first, the video which I'm gonna be making, editing by my heart. That video will be going first, and this one will be going later. So yeah, by the time you will watch this video, that video will be already up. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so are you all ready for the reveal? It's not that much grand, okay, it's very minimal, but yeah, let me show it to you all. Are you all ready? So 1, 2 and 3. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Wait, it looks too minimal, right? Just a second. Okay, what do you say now? I have turned on the fairy lights, but the room light is still on. So let me turn it off and let me show you how does it look like and what will it look like at the night time. I absolutely love it. I know there are few parts which doesn't look that much good, but you know, the video which I'm gonna be doing, that will not involve all the parts of the room. So absolutely love it. I have added few more stuffs like this. All these are like few cushions which I have covered with just I have done some jugaad. I have just done some jugaad. So yeah, I have wrapped some cushion with some red cloths and all of that. This is the tree. I have a Chotu Santa also over there. Let me show it to you. Can you see the Santa? So yeah, I have the Santa over here. This is green one is a DIY tree made by my brother, and this is the background, minimal, but yeah, I love it. So yeah, this is how the transformation looks like. So yeah, that is how the transformation has turned out. Not actually transformation, just decor kind of. But yeah, comment me below whether you liked it or not. I know it's not anyway that much great. It's very minimal, very like what to say, last minute, because yeah, obviously it's last minute. I didn't get any time to buy stuffs for decorating the Christmas background or the Christmas tree. So I just used any tree to make like the Christmas tree. So yeah, it's just a last minute decoration. Whatever I could have done, I just did it. So yeah, I hope you all will understand, and I hope whatever it has turned out, you all will like it. And stay tuned for the video. I hope by this time I have already watched that video which I have uploaded. I'll upload it on both my channels, vlogging as well as on my main channel, and I'll upload it on my Instagram as well. So do follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, that's it with the update of the Christmas decoration. So yeah, see you later. Guys, it's later. I don't know what the time is right now, but I think after some time I'm just gonna go and do a little bit of makeup, change my dress, put a cute little outfit for the shoot of the video. Basically, I don't have anything to do, so I'll take a rest, because from the morning I had been working a lot.
I went to work, I did some workout, and I also did the full decoration by myself without any help, and I'm too tired right now, so I'll just go chill a bit, maybe take some rest. Also, I need to do some homework, that is maths homework. So how much homework I can do, that I will do. And in
that meanwhile, I'll also take some rest, and after that maybe after taking some rest, or maybe after chilling out a bit, I will go and do my makeup, and also I will change into my Christmas outfit for the shoot of the video. Which anyways, so that's the update. Now I'm just gonna go do some math homework, also chill in the meanwhile, and after that I'll do the makeup, change the outfit, so I'll show it to you, show everything to you all. Anyway, what did you all do on your Christmas days? I mean, what were your plans? What did you all plan, and what did it turn out? Like, I planned a lot of stuff that I'll do this, that, but after that it basically turned out to be something different. So what were your plans, and what you did on your Christmas day? Comment everything down below, because it gets really interesting to read the comments of people, that what did they do on their day. And yeah, it's really interesting to read the comments. So yeah, comment below, and yeah, see ya later. I'm done with the makeup. Wait, it doesn't seem good over here. Actually, the lighting isn't nice. Let me go to some different place. Yeah, so I'm done with the makeup. I don't know in the camera how it is looking or not. Yeah, but anyways, I'm done with the makeup, and I have worn my outfit, not full. And yeah, I have shown you little glimpses of how I have done the makeup, not full. I couldn't film the full get ready with me video because it would get long, right? So yeah, just shown a few glimpses of that. Anyway, so yeah, I have done this kind of such a makeup. My lipstick looks very different on the camera. I don't know why. Maybe that's because of the lighting, but yeah, I have worn a red lipstick, and I have done this kind of such a makeup, very basic, just a lipstick which is bold, and I have wore this kind of such an top. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing, and yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna go and film that video, and then I'll see you guys and be back. Hi everyone, so currently it's kind of like 7:45ish kind of, and I forgot to film after filming that Christmas video, because yeah, after filming that video I got busy in removing my makeup and keeping all the stuffs back in its place. So yeah, I just forgot to update you all. And yeah, after that I also thought that let me just edit this video. That is why I got too much indulged into all the stuffs and I just forgot to film. But yeah, right now it's 7:45ish kind of, and yeah, I'm just sitting, and also I am thinking to study a bit, because the full day I was working and I could not study little bit also, because I was too much indulged into my work. And the full morning I worked, I was productive, but I was only indulged into my work. I was not able to study. I worked for the setting up the Christmas tree and the Christmas decor, but yeah, all the time just went into that. I just could not study, and I also have a lot of practicals and projects to do. So yeah, I need to do that. I don't want to do it right now, but yeah, I thought that I don't have anything to do right now. I checked a little bit of social media and all of that, so I thought that now I don't have anything to do, so let me go and either practice some maths or do some biology project. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna be doing right now. So yeah, and you know what, right now everyone is just watching TV, and someone is seeing mobile and doing all of that in front of me. But yeah, I'm just gonna be doing my project or practicing math along with seeing the TV. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna be doing. Yep, bye bye.